Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another lip swatches. I think you really enjoy watching these videos and I like filming them too. Today's video I'm partnering with L'Oreal Paris and I'm going to be swatching the new L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Shine lipsticks. Now first of all, the packaging is just so nice. I really like it. So these come in 12 beautiful luminizing shades. There's so many colors to choose from. So like the name says, these are very shiny, but they still are quite pigmented. You can definitely build up the intensity of the color. The color I'm wearing right now is definitely one of my favorites. This is 918 Polished Tango. This is actually not the type of shade I would usually really like to wear. It's kind of a like Barbie-ish color, but for some reason, because it's super shiny, I think it's very wearable and I actually really like it. So these come in a bunch of different colors. I think these would be perfect for summertime. If you want to wear a color but you just want to have like juicy lips, I think these are perfect. I feel like I could wear a lot of eye makeup with these and they would still look really nice. And what I like is if you only do like a sheer coat, you can have just a sheer wash of color on your lips, but you can also build up the intensity of the color by just applying, you know, 2 coats. You can have some great color payoff, but it's still like super shiny on your lips. So I really like these. Like I love all the shades that I tried on today, which is quite rare, I find, to like all the colors from a collection. I've also used one of these shades in a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me I did a couple weeks ago, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave it down below. Of course, these are super comfortable to wear. I just feel very like slippery and just soft on the lips, so I really enjoy wearing these.
Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is an art. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the world, spins the verb. Lovers it girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, and I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow, no one can control it. No, yeah, and I got this soda. Remy boys that know us, yeah. Fast money don't slow, no, they can't control it. No, yeah. No diggity, darling, I like the way you work it. No diggity, darling, I'm about to bang. 1738. No diggity, darling, I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. No diggity, darling, I'm about to bag it up. No diggity, darling, I like the way you work it. 1738. No diggity.
hope you enjoyed watching this lip swatches video. I hope it was helpful. If you've tried these lipsticks, definitely let me know what you think about them, if you like the formula, and then of course let me know what is your favorite shade that I featured in this video. I would like to know. Also, all the shades will be listed down below to make it easier for you. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel for many more videos. You can follow me on my social media. All the links will be down below. So yeah, thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!